Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create an Instagram account. First of all, you just go to your, if you are on a phone, go to the Instagram app. If you're on a computer or a browser, just go to Instagram.com. This interface will be open to you. Then you click on sign up. Yeah, so when you click on sign up, the interface will be open to you, okay? So you go to, you put your mobile number and then your password, then your full name, your business, either if it is your business full name, if it is yourself, your full name, and the username. Name is the one that normally have the underscore, but for the full name can be the same way the name is supposed to be. Yeah, so this one, you just, after you put all of that information, you click on sign up. In your birth date, then you click on next. That's to confirm you are not a robot. So you just do that. You've selected all the images, click on verify. Then you click on next. They have sent a code to the number I used, so I'm just waiting for that code. And click on confirm. After that, you may be asked to follow a few people. So just look at accounts you want to follow. So example, if you don't want to follow any of them, just come to the home and then type any account of your choice. So far, the account is done. So what you can see now, you can do now is to set up a profile picture. So just select one of the pictures. Then I'll make it a profile picture. Then you can now go ahead to, you go to the settings. In case you want to set it up as a business account, you can go to the settings, go to settings of privacy. Go to account type and tools. You see switch to professional account. So I'm switching to business. Next. So clothing brand. Next. Done. After that, you add your business contact information and then click on save. Okay, so it's not saving yet, but I'll just try and do that later. It could be because I just created the account name. So you come back to the home, go to profile. Now you can begin to add content. So you come and click on create. So for example, if you want to add any post or, so let me just show you. I just want to add a few pictures for you to see how it looks like. So you can add a short description and then share. And now your business account is ready. Yeah, I have done several videos on how to run an ad campaign on Instagram. If you are interested in that, please check in the description of this video and then you can follow it to be able to set up an advert on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. Once again, see you in the next video. Bye.